Holy moly.
That cattle convoy. No, watch out for that cattle grazing in convoys of silence.
Is that them too?
Yeah.
Oh, you! The fuck? I guess giveaway is like optional?
What an asshole. What the fuck you doing, dickhead?
Oh shit! You can't park there, mate.
Hey, leave the comedy to me.
So Fat Billy will be on.
You're a cock. He was not gonna go.
Is playing a role, of course, publicly.
Oh, not another one.
It is known and.
Message saying that it's transferred. Should see it this other.
Shit! Give way sign.
它确实给我的生活。
Oh wow!
40 years, and now it's here.
Nice one, dickhead.
And it's here where we
Say what? I've seen our future and it smells like burnt toast, Eli. Yes. All right. Well, take us on a journey, Tom. Well, today I'm going to tell us a story that Heath is very likely to find
Fucking bad of you at driving,
interesting.
mate.
If you ever story about the unlikeliest possible convergences, a story so absurd and surreal that you may need to resupply yourself with yarn and pushpins, but I promise you that this whole story is true. This will be a story involving 80s wrestling icon and conservative celebrity Hulk Hogan, a guy who calls himself Bubba the Love Sponge, patient. And he's already been nursing a grudge for years at this point. And if he's willing to spend
Now let's not forget, though, the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
covers those dots,
Jack, is it cut in front of you?
lines it up, and I have a straight line, which I can then just line the ball up, so the line shoots through the gap that I can see on my
Brake check, yeah.
Are you telling me if we pretend his ball is real, that's just something I'm not allowed to do by self-calling it?
You just go,
I
mate.
reckon they're going to designate that. That's going to be open to interpretation. It's going to be one of those, what is your
Fucking
intent?
idiot.
Right? And if you say,
Just
well,
stay in this lane.
it's just marking the ball. Or if you say I'm using it as an alignment aid.
Well, no shit.
Filling in, and the Chemist Warehouse footy final sale is on now.
You know what? This is where you get your cheap vitamins.
Where are you going? Wrong side of the road. You fucking idiot. God. Welcome to Australia.
You dumb shit.
Writing in a statement, it was a mutual gesture that was totally spontaneous, prompted by the huge joy of winning the World Cup. The Prezi and I have a great relationship. His behavior with all of us has been 10 out of 10, and this was a natural gesture of affection and gratitude. Whereas the Federation president was a bit more combative towards critics initially, saying, the kiss with Jenny? There are idiots everywhere. When two people have a moment of affection that means nothing more, you can't listen to idiocy. We are the champions.
Oh, look at this dickhead. Good on you. Fucking idiot. Fucking grin.
That is correct. Alright, question number 3. Where might I get grass wrapped around my hosel? Edwards. Golf.
Are eating pets?
No, absolutely not. That's what the mayor said. That's what the chief of police has said.
Okay.
Fucking. Me? Just hanging around. Hey!
Oh, hot rod?
Oh, that's nice.
Is that right? Hot rod?
There you go, Scotty.